In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow extensions in incognito mode in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can use the tools you need while browsing privately. This is really useful if you rely on a password manager, an ad blocker, a VPN, or any other extension that helps your workflow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Chrome tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're on the main browser window and ready to access your extensions. Now look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings and tools menu. From there, hover over extensions. You'll see a submenu appear, and in that submenu, click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome extensions page, where all of your installed extensions are listed. On this page, scroll through your extensions and find the one you want to allow in incognito mode. For example, maybe it's your password manager, your ad blocker, a productivity tool, or a VPN extension. Keep in mind that you can enable incognito access one extension at a time, so you'll need to repeat these steps for each one you want to use privately. Once you've found the extension, click Details under that extension. This opens a more detailed settings page for that specific extension, including its permissions and options. This is where Chrome lets you control whether the extension can run in regular browsing, incognito mode, or both. Now, look for the option that says Allow in Incognito. You'll usually see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that switch on. Once it's enabled, Chrome will allow that extension to work even when you're browsing in an incognito window. This is the key step, and it's what makes the extension available during private browsing sessions. After that, it's a good idea to test it right away. Open a new incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. On Mac, you can use the equivalent shortcut or open incognito from the Chrome menu. A new private browsing window will appear, and you can now check whether the extension shows up in the top right corner and functions the way you expect. If the extension appears and works, then everything is set correctly. If it doesn't, go back and make sure that Allow in Incognito toggle is actually turned on for that specific extension. Also remember that some extensions may have limited functionality in incognito depending on their permissions and privacy settings, so not every feature will always behave exactly the same as in normal browsing, and that's it. You've now learned how to allow extensions in incognito mode in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it can make private browsing much more useful and convenient. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple Chrome tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.